Imam Ibn Josi narrated a very lesson-giving incident. In the city of Isfahan, there was a very rich and influential man. One day he was sitting at the dining table with his wife. The table was full of Allah's blessings and delicious food. At that moment, a poor man called out from outside, asking for food in the name of Allah. The rich man ordered his wife to put all the food from the table into the beggar's bag. The woman obeyed. But when she looked at the face of the beggar, she suddenly started crying loudly. Her husband asked her, "My dear, what happened to you?" She replied, "The man who has come to our door as a beggar was, a few years ago, the richest man of this city. He owned this very house, and he was my former husband," she continued. "A few years ago, we were sitting at our dining table just like this. At that time, a poor man came and asked for food, saying he had been hungry for 2 days. My husband became angry, stood up, and beat the beggar so badly that he was covered in blood. I don't know what prayer or curse that poor man made, but soon after that, my husband's life changed completely. His business collapsed, he became poor and helpless, and he divorced me. After a few years, I married you." After hearing this, the present husband said, "Do you want to hear something even more surprising?" She said, "Yes, please tell me." He said, "The beggar whom your former husband had beaten was none other than me." This was a strange turn of time. Allah took everything from that cruel rich man, his wealth, his house, even his wife, and gave it to the person who had once come to his door as a beggar. Then, after some years, Allah made that man a beggar and brought him to the same door. History is full of such lesson-giving and thought-provoking events.